Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Another gorgeous sunny day whilst I'm filming this. Changes my whole outlook on life. I just love it. I love the sun. I feel like it's the perfect temperature as well this week. It's like not too hot. It is just glorious, isn't it? So I would love to know what you're all doing now that the sun's out. You're getting out in the garden. I've been trying to tidy my garden up a little bit, get it ready for like barbecues and things. Got a lot of weeding to do, repainting, things like that. So yeah, lots of jobs outside now to get done. I just hope that this sun, it won't, will it? It'll probably go freezing again next week, but I hope that the sun stays around for a little bit longer because it just makes everything easier and everything that little bit better. And I'm even happier because I've done an Ikea order. I'm going a bit storage crazy. It's that spring cleaning feeling, isn't it? I just really want everything to be organised. A lot of the time I'll have the house quite tidy, but everything behind closed doors literally is horrific. So drawers, cupboards, all of that, I am very much going through all of those to make sure that everything is stored neater. I obviously did my storage hacks video, which is some things that I do like to do, but there's definitely room for improvement on different things or things that have just got a bit messy. So I need to go over everything, give things a bit of a refresh, reorganise, and just hopefully it will just help my days go smoother if I know where everything is in the house. So I, of course, went straight to Ikea when looking for anything for storage and got some great little bargains. So I will have a few more sips of coffee and then I will show you everything that I got. Okay, so this isn't storage, but I just got it because I just think it's so beautiful and I actually want to change all of my towels now. It doesn't even look like a towel, it looks more like a throw, and I don't know why, but I just love it. Doesn't it just look really nice? It does look like a throw, to be fair. You could use this as a throw. I don't know how absorbent it is either, but it is described as a towel. It's got a little thing on it as well so you can hang it up, but how gorgeous would these look in your bathroom with a load of like bamboo accessories? This sort of colour, I just think it looks proper spa-like, really expensive. Yeah, I want to change every towel I own for one of these with the little, look at that little fringe detail on it. I just think it's really lovely. They had different sizes as well, I'm pretty sure. A waffle design is always nice as well. I think it makes it more absorbent as well, so maybe it would be quite a good absorbent towel. But yeah, I think it was about £10. Oh, I've got a really itchy nose. I think hay fever's starting to kick in. Yeah, so it is the Valison, saying that right. They do a bath towel for £6. This the bath towel or is this the bath sheet? Ah, so this is the bath sheet. So it's a nice big one, and that was, I think it was £10. I can't see it on here. But yeah, they do the bath towel as well. But a nice stripy one as well. They're just nice. I just think they look curved. They're a bit different, aren't they? And it is more like a throw. You could use that on your bed. You wouldn't know. I might just upgrade my towels a little bit because my towels are a bit shocking, to be fair. They're all different sizes, different colours. Some are dead tatty, so yeah, it's probably time for me to update them a little bit, and these look really expensive, like I'm in a nice spa, and will really update a bathroom, I think, without spending too much money. So yeah, I got that, which was not an essential, nothing to do with storage, but I just really liked the look of it. I said in my storage hack video, if you've not seen it, give it a watch if you wanted. I said about using letter files. What are these called? They're called letter files, aren't they, I think? These files are so good for just general storage in kitchens. You can attach them to the inside of kitchen doors, underneath a desk, I think I've seen, where you can have it attached to the bottom of a desk and you can use it like it's a little shelf. They're just super handy. These ones in particular as well, I just like the design of them. I think they look nice. See what's inside them as well with them being see-through. They were 2 for £8, I think. They don't have prices on anything with Ikea, do they? The magazine files, pack of 2 for £8. I'm going to use them for storage in the kitchen again, I think. I was putting my water bottles in before. I have bought the boys some new water bottles because we just seem to need to have new water bottles very regularly. I got them some of these, which I think are really nice. I love it when they have matching things. Like, I'll just put their initial on the bottom of each of them probably. They're plastic. They look like they're glass, but they're not. They've got that little hanging thing on, which is always good for their school bags. Because at the minute they've got those big clunky metal ones, which are great, but they are heavy. So when we're walking to school and things, they do find them a bit much sometimes, and they haven't got anything to hold on to either. So these are just great. They can just attach to their lunch bag or their school bags. They're great for taking to football as well. So yeah, they're a good size and inexpensive as well. They were £2.50 each, which, you know, I don't think is too bad at all. Hopefully they don't crack easily, because that's the thing, isn't it? The boys drop their bottles a lot, and then that's when smashing and everything happens. So fingers crossed they last us more than a couple of weeks. I also got a couple of pillar candles, because Ikea is so good for things like that. They're £1.75. I've got a couple of candlesticks that don't have anything on them, so whilst I was thinking on, I thought I'd get some from Ikea, because that is always worth stocking up on when you go there. They do various different sizes. Some of their things, I mean, you just can't beat it, can you? I just wish that delivery wasn't so annoying with them. This delivery was fine because everything was like small, and it only cost £4 for delivery, but sometimes if you put certain items in, depending obviously where they're going to come from, the size of them, then delivery can go up to like £30, and I'm not that near an Ikea, so there are certain things that I would love to get, yeah, if delivery wasn't so extortionate. Like, that's my only gripe with them, because I would love to be able to get some of their furniture and things, because it's just such good value for money. But these, yeah, £1.75, just some plain white candles just to go on a couple of candlesticks that I've got, which I've got way too many candlesticks all around the house. It's a little bit of an obsession. I don't know why, I just think they're just such a nice bit of home decor. I don't even like the candles, it's just decoration. I also got one of these. I should have got more than one, to be fair, because the boys don't have anything to prop up their tablets. I just think it's a handy thing to have, a little wooden phone or tablet thing to just to prop things up. I probably find it quite handy as well. If I'm in the bath, I like to watch something on my phone, and like I say, the boys can use this for their tablets. I don't think it was much, I think it was like £2. Yeah, £2 for this. Just a little bamboo jeans mobile tablet holder. Probably should have got them one each. I don't know why I did that, just got one, but there's always next time. Now these two things I'm very excited about. This is back onto the storage. I got one of these. Now I love seeing, I don't know why, but I love seeing what people put in these, because you can put all sorts of these, can't you? They're obviously shoe organisers, but I probably won't use it for that. So it's one of those things that can either be hung up in the wardrobe or on the back of a door. I see people put cleaning products in them. It's a really good way to store just so many different things. Beauty products, your underwear, like bras and things like that. Just all sorts of things. So I have been wanting one of these for a bit now. It was £6. Oh, you can have it a bit shorter as well if you wanted to. Or it can be unvelcroed and it's longer. I think you get 16 pouches, and it's just extra storage, isn't it? It's just going to be really good to go on the back of one of the doors upstairs for, I don't know what I'm going to keep in it. I could put it in Toby's wardrobe and he could have things stored in there, or I can use it as shoe storage, and then that is going to save up a lot of room in my wardrobe where I've got a big shoe rack. So yeah, lots of possibilities for one of them. And then I also thought this would be good, again for Toby's wardrobe, just because I think it'd be easier for him to get things out. You can't reach anything that's hanging up, the bar needs lowering really. But I got one of these, which again, you hang up, and then it's got like little pouches either side, so you can just slot things in and it'll hang up like that. Does that make sense? So you could put clothes, towels, all sorts of things in there, just extra storage. This was £4.50 for one of them. So just some great wardrobe closet storage there. Another thing that I wished I bought a couple of is these. They're like, what is it called? It's like a boot mud. Yeah, let me just look, because I can't remember what it's called. £2.50 shoe mat it is called. I keep all of the shoes in the kitchen in one of the drawers, and I want to put this in the bottom of it, which I think will fit nicely to obviously catch all the mud or anything like that. But I also think I might keep one outside, because I just think it's a good thing for the boys to put their wellies and football boots and things on, just to contain all of the mess in one place. So I think they're just handy things. £2.50, you could use that for a lot of things. To be fair, that'd be a really good like thing for the kids to play their Lego on and stuff as well. For only £2.50, they could use that in the garden with toys and things like that. I think there's quite a lot of uses. If I had a little think, I'm sure I could think of a few things to use one of these for. I also got a little plate rack. Again, I don't know why I just buy one thing. I have various uses for these. So I wished I bought two, because I could have put all of my baking sheets in this. I did actually buy it for my plates because my plates are all stacked up into one big pile, which is annoying because sometimes if you want a different plate then you have to like lift all the other ones up. So I thought this is just going to be handy and easy. It was really one of them shops where I thought I could use one of them, could do with one of them, and you never get them. I thought I'm going to get those little things that are just going to make life that little bit easier. This was £3, this little plate rack. So yeah, that's just going to have all the dinner plates slotted in there, and then the kids can get them out quite easily as well without smashing a load of plates on the floor. I also got some of the plastic cups again. Oh, they're a little bit misshapen actually. They've been a bit squished. I have bought these before. Not this colour though. I would prefer the colours are a little bit like more pastel-y, but these are really good. My boys, I don't really trust them with glasses still, so these are perfect for them, especially as well when they're outside in the garden. They can take a cup of juice outside with them and I'm not going to worry about it getting smashed on the floor. They're dead inexpensive as well, only £1.50, and you get 6 little cups there. Really good for other things as well, like making little jellies in and things. Again, that is one of my essentials from Ikea. They're never not going to come in handy, to be honest. And then lastly, I got some little storage pots. I did actually get one of those microwave lids. I really wanted one of those. That's an essential as well, isn't it? Just to save all your spills in the microwave. That was £1, but they didn't have any in stock, so they haven't sent that. But got some little pots. Ikea is the one when it comes to any of this sort of thing. It's a little 3-pot of Pruta Tupperware. I love it when things come in a pack of 3 as well, because I've got 3 kids, so I just love the fact that I can do their little snacks in a matching pot. I know it's ridiculous, but it just is just that. It's just one of those things that just brings me a little bit of joy. So there is a 3-pack of little pots there. Just good for fruit portions and little snacks for their lunch boxes. I never have too many of these. I don't know where they go either. I think sometimes the boys put them in the bin by accident because I seem to misplace quite a lot of these. Only 50p. I didn't even know it was that cheap. 50p for these little containers. What a bargain. Love Ikea. It's a good job I'm not close to one, to be fair. I've been there all the time. They've got such good things, haven't they? They've got some really nice furniture as well. Just love it. Love it. I feel like I've got quite a lot. It's about £30 I spent, and I feel like I've got quite a lot of things there that's just going to really help to organise my life a little bit better. And I think a lot of them are must-haves for around the house. So I can do the fun thing now and actually go and put them in situ and organise my life a little bit more. I'm going to definitely do some organisation videos because that's just what I'm really focusing on at the moment. It's just making me feel better about my life every day, just making little drawers tidier and things. So yeah, I am going to go and do that now. No, I'm not actually. I'm going to go and enjoy the sunshine a little bit first, then I will do it because it is too nice to not be sat outside. So I hope you are enjoying the sun as well. I would love it if you gave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.